Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I am back with another video for you guys, and just letting you guys know, there is a OS update on Armory Crate. Do remember tonight, around 12 a.m., we do get that new BIOS version. I believe it's 3.3.1. It's supposed to go live tonight, but there is an update right now. So let's actually show you guys. So let's zoom this in real quick so you guys can actually see. Just move my camera up a little. Just bear with me while I lock this in place. Okay, there we go. And as you can see right here, we got a update right here, which is the MCU firmware 3.1.4. I believe the update before was 3.1.3. Now we have 3.1.4. Then we get the BIOS update, which I believe is 3.3.1. So as you can see, we get this update. I believe there's some more stuff supposed to be updated, but as you can see, we got everything. We're just going to hit update all. I got my power supply in because we're doing a firmware update, so we're gonna let that install. Then I'm gonna go back and check some extra stuff, as you can see right there. And update, and I'm just gonna let this thing update itself right now. I am gonna go back and check my aces and check and see if we got any updates. But as you can see right now, I got my power supply plugged in as I'm doing this update. So we're just gonna basically let it go through. So I'm just gonna let you guys know, if you want to get news and videos or all updates that's coming up on the ROG Ally, make sure you subscribe, follow. I do put up videos for new stuff all the time dealing with the ROG Ally. If you need tips and tricks, how to put emulators, bugs, how to fix it. If you're having problems with your the AMD part not working, display not working, software not working, you update, then your stuff start crashing. I do videos on how to fix things, how to recover it. Just leave comments in the comment section what your problem is. I'll look it up and figure out a way how to actually help you fix your problems. But this is the channel where you're going to go at it for all things ROG Ally. I'm basically taking the time towards it. That's the reason why I brought it, because I do want to help the community try to figure out and fix things that's dealing with the ROG Ally. Yeah, if y'all new to this channel, this is things that I do. Anytime I get something new, I spend months on it. I do update videos. I am going to have a large playlist with this. Basically, I'm going to be streaming on this. I've already streamed on it already. Test videos showing you what games you can play, the best settings to play for certain games, different things like that, just so you guys can get an update idea of what things can you do. Now, just to let you guys know, I do benchmarks on games that I play. I don't play a lot of games, specifically like Cyberpunk. I'm not really into games like that. I am into games like Grand Theft Auto, Saints Row, Mortal Kombat, things like, simple things. Resident Evil, Star Wars Jedi Survivor, what is it? I forgot the other name of the game. It'll hit me in a few when I can think about it. But yeah, like things like that. Those are the games that I mostly play. I do a lot of benchmarks and stuff like that, like Resident Evil, Call of Duty, Star Wars, just simple games, Grand Theft Auto. Oh man, I forgot the name of the freaking game that I was thinking about. It's on the tip of my tongue and I just can't. Like games like Payday, Lies of P, Contractors, Hogwarts Legacy, what is it? Dead Island? Is that the game I'm thinking about? No, I don't think it's Dead Island. I'm just talking to you guys as this thing updates. Why this thing is doing that. Let me try to find that game that I was actually talking about. Go to my library. I just want you guys to see exactly what's going on. Dying Light, that's what it was. Like games like Dying Light, stuff like that. I had to go into my library real quick, basically show you guys. Yeah, games like Dying Light. What else is in my category? Sync, The First Descendant is coming out. That's a good game. I do the simple things like that. Show you how to test benches and frame rates. You know, the wattage, the best wattage to put up on it, things like that, just so you guys can actually start playing the games with a decent frame rate and stuff like that. All right, so it's finished updating, as you can see right there. Okay, update complete. Click close. Okay. So everything looks like it's up to date. Most likely it needs to restart, but there we go. Restart right now, and most likely I gotta put my finger on it so it can pick up. I still gotta go into my Aces to basically check to see if there's any updates. It's 10:19 right now, so we didn't get those updates yet for the BIOS yet. That's not going to hit until like 12 a.m. sometime in the middle of the night. Just got my finger on the thing real quick just so it can scan it real fast. So as you can see, basically update the firmware. Okay, put my finger on it real quick. That's my fault. I actually turned the thing off by accident. That was my fault. I accidentally turned it off. Okay, let's see what's new. I'm gonna go back into here. Updates. Check updates. See if anything else pops up. So just bear with me while it checks. Okay, seems like everything is up to date. Okay, version 3.1.4. We can close this out. So I'm just gonna put my hand over the screen really quick, because I don't want y'all to see my serial number. So just bear with me for a second. So I just got my hand over the thing real quick while I go into my Aces. Okay. So I'm checking for any updates for my Aces. Nothing new. So not gonna get the BIOS update until tonight. Let's click out of this real quick. Let's go to settings and check Windows, see if there's any updates. I already updated everything, but let's see if there's any further updates. Checking real quick. Okay, we did get an update right here. So this is basically for antivirus. So that's nothing big right here. I'll check it one more time. And most likely there's going to be an update in the Microsoft Store for some stuff. So we're going to check that out after we finish checking for the update again. Just want to clear this out. Okay. Go Microsoft Store. Okay, go to library. Click on get updates, see if anything updates. Okay, so we got a few updates. We got gaming service and Xbox. So those are the main things right there that's going to be updated right now. So I'm going to let that update and I'm going to zoom back out. That's basically it. All right, so I want to give you guys a little fast update for people that's talking about, oh, they can't play their games. The ROG Ally is having too many problems, blah, 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 blah. You only have to update 4 things on this thing to keep your Ally working, and you see how fast basically it is. The first thing you always got to do is go to RUBBERIZED, check for updates on that. Second, you always want to go to My Aces, check for updates on that. So you do an update check. Then you go to latest to see if there's any downloads inside of it. But most likely when you go inside RUBBERIZED, it'll already give you the information. That's something to download. Second is, actually third one is you want to go into your settings and do Windows update, check to see if there's any window updates. A lot of the times that something mess up, it could be something simple as antivirus update that's there and it's affecting your thing because you install it, or it might be something just with a player or a coding that needs to be updated and you didn't do it and it's giving you problems. Last but not least, you always want to go to the Microsoft Store and always check for updates there. That's what's going to affect a lot of your stuff. So a lot of times, if you run into issues with your graphic card, which is your AMD card, a lot of times you just need to come here and just reinstall the control center, or reinstall Armory Crate SE. A lot of the points that you're running into is just some of the issues that you just need to reinstall like I said, the control center for AMD after you update your graphics and stuff like that. So that's a lot of the problems right there. So guys, I'm gonna get out of here. It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, only using your timelines. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.